Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can always win in Monopoly Go tournaments. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage of the app where the actual game is played. To win tournaments, make sure you use the highest multiplayer you can use once you're near the railroads, but make sure to look for the shields, as more shields meaning more chances you will land on railroads. Another thing you can do is to take advantage of the shutdown. Simply target your friends whose most buildings are fallen so that your chances of winning increases in shutdowns. And you can also take revenge as it has maximum victory ratio. The last thing you can do is bank heist. Make sure to not open any corner titles in it as they'll lead to the lowest heist. As there's also a chance of mega heist, look for these type of things to get maximum winnings and ultimately perform well in tournaments. This is basically how you can always win in Monopoly Go tournaments. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.